Hello, बच्चों. Let us look into the question. The question says SNP can be used for, and the following options are given to us: finding chromosome location for disease-associated sequences, tracing human history, evaluation, or you can say all of the above. The key concept is SNP, which stands for single nucleotide polymorphism. Now, what we see that in the case of single nucleotide polymorphism, in the entire genome, when we look up into the DNA, what we see that amongst two individual, there is a difference in one base pair or nucleotide, you can say, due to which the polymorphism in the genome can be studied. Now, due to this polymorphism, evolution is studied. How? Let us look into it. Suppose whenever we take about example of sickle cell anemia, we see that at beta globulin, the gene coding for beta globulin, we see that one earlier, normally it had a code of CTC, sixth position पे CTC, and after the mutation takes place, it changes to CAC. Now it will be forming a mRNA of GAG, and at this place it will be forming a mRNA of GUG. That means earlier it was coating for valine, earlier it was coating for glutamate, but after mutation it is coating for this valine. That means due to single nucleotide change, mutation can be studied, and after studying this, we can figure out that where the disease has taken place due to which change in nucleotide. We can trace the history from this study of SNP. Along with that, हम evolution का भी trend पता कर सकते हैं by studying this. कैसे पता कर सकते हैं? Suppose any protein is coded in certain form, in X form, but after some time that person or population gets prone or gets resistant to that particular disease. Now what we see कि over the evolutionary time period वहां पे एक बेस पेयर का चेंज हो जाता है, बेस पेयर डिफरेंस, जिसकी वजह से ये जीन मॉडिफाई होके रेजिस्टेंट जीन में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है, और हम यहाँ देखते हैं इवोल्यूशन, क्योंकि वो एक प्रोन पॉपुलेशन से एक रेजिस्टेंट पॉपुलेशन में चेंज हो जाती है. इसके थ्रू जैसे ये चेंज हो रहा है जीन में, तो ये जीन का जब हम ट्रेस करेंगे तो हम देख पाएंगे कि कैसे एक ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री एडवांस हुई है. Thus, we can say that finding chromosome location for disease associated sequences, ये भी एक correct option है. Tracing human history is correct option. Evolution is correct option. That all of the above are correct. The final answer is option D. Hope you all understood. All the best.